Guys, I am so excited to be making this video today. I've been hinting towards it the past 2 videos and it's finally here. It actually came 2 days sooner than it told me it was gonna come, so that's exciting. Of course, you've already seen the title of this video, so you already know what's going on, but deck of Scarlet is in my hands. If you've ever been on Instagram for more than 30 seconds, you've probably seen this. Basically what it is it's like a makeup palette, but it comes with a blush, a highlight, and some eyeshadows and some lip colors, and it's every other month. I think it was $29.95 or something like that. It's like around the $30 mark. So essentially, if you're looking at like the whole year, it's like $15 a month, which falls right between Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I just had to. Ooh, and I think this month's deck of Scarlet is by Kim Tai. Kim Tai, is that how you say it? I've been following her on Instagram for a long time, but I love her makeup and stuff, and I love her personality. She's the cutest ever, and yeah, I'm excited. This is the palette. It says Dream. Sparrow, don't feed the dogs. Just don't mind. Don't mind. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you should know by now. That is always going to be in the background. So before I open the palette, I'm also going to show you, it comes with this lip gloss. Oh my god, it is so freaking pretty. And I don't know how pigmented it is, but it's definitely sparkly, so I like that. And that is everything that's in the box. So, and I really wanted to try this because I feel like every time I see it on Instagram, like the looks are stunning, the pigments look really nice and blendable. It just seems like something right up my alley. Okay, so here's the actual palette outside of that cardboard packaging. It's got 2 little sections here, so let's open this first one first. Ooh. Ain't that just beautiful? So this highlight shade, I don't know about it. It seems like it might be, okay, well first of all, it's really buttery. It might be a little dark for me. Or it might not be. That's very pretty, holy crap. This shimmer shade, Enchanted, is gorgeous. Ooh. I think there's gonna be a little bit of fallout on that shade, but damn, do you see that? Girl! This one is called Crown. We'll see how that blends out. It seems a little chalky. And then that last one's called Myth. So the shimmers have got me shook. I don't know about the mattes just yet. And one thing is too, is that this pan is kind of loose. I'm afraid it might fall out, but. And then this blush, ooh, so creamy. I like the blush a lot. All right, we haven't even looked at the lip stuff yet besides the lip gloss. So it comes with these 2 lip colors in Kiss and Maiden. I think Maiden is gonna be the one that I end up really liking here. Yep, they feel nice and creamy. Obviously they are simply a lipstick and not, ooh, very pigmented. Not claiming to be kiss proof or anything. It's just a little lipstick. It's cute. All right, without further ado, let's just put the stuff on my face. I'm so ready. I'm gonna do the blush first. Holy moly, the fallout is real. It's really easy to overdo. Okay, definitely overdid the blush. Is really easy to build up too fast. So I need to go get a brush so I can diffuse it a little bit. Now let's try the highlighter. Also a lot of fallout, but I don't think I mind that so much with highlighter. I don't know. Ooh, girl. It is slightly dark. All I need to do is get a tan and it'll be perfect. And it's summertime, so I can do that if I leave my house. I feel like you can kind of see it on my cheek though when it's not like in the blind zone. But I am very impressed with this. I think it's super pigmented, super pretty. It also kind of like, it doesn't really look like much in the pan. Wow, hello. But it really comes off like super blinding. You can really see it on my skin. Yeah, like looking up close, like I just put some on my upper lip, and at certain angles you can kind of see, like it almost looks like I've been eating shiny Cheetos. It's not their fault I'm so white. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to create a look with these 3 colors here. definitely where I ended up. I feel like that took way too long, and it was mostly because of this crown color. I feel like I mean, I honestly, I could probably spend another like 15 minutes trying to build it up again. This particular color is just not easy to work with. I'm not faulting Deca Scarlet on that. I know that the purpley red colors, from what I understand anyway, I mean, I've never made makeup before, but from what I understand, it's a hard color to get the formula right on, and I guess that's why it's so hard to find a good purple and a good red some days. Not to say that's not a good purple or red, but it really just took some maneuvering. I think I'm gonna go back in there and try to build it up again. Like, I feel like it doesn't like stay. You need to really use a really good primer and spray it down right away. Oh, that went the wrong way. Okay. All in all though, I think this look is gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. The time management thing is an issue, but I mean, I'm just gonna assume it's just that color, and in the future, you know, maybe they won't have such a hard time with the formula. So moving on to lips, I'm really stoked to try this brown one. So I'm just going in with a flat brush and I'm just gonna go to town, I guess. I like the color of this, I like the formula. Now I don't expect there to be much wearability though. I'm not expecting them to wear very long, and it would be really inconvenient to carry this whole thing around just to reapply your lipstick later, but I like it. Now, I'm gonna top it with this lip gloss. This is, oh, I'm so ready for this. Dude, that is beautiful. There's definitely some shimmer in there. Can't really see it on the camera though. It looks like it's just like glossy, but there's like some serious shimmer going on. I think it's beautiful. It doesn't make my lips look super dry. You know I like that in a lipstick. Wow. Just wow. I am actually very, very pleased with this. I figured I would be. The only thing that kind of trips me up is that I'm not sure like how many looks you can really make with this. Like, I mean, you could use the highlight as the shimmer shade on your eyes if you wanted to, but like what else can you really do really with these two shades? I mean, I'll probably go on Instagram and check it out, but I feel like every video I've seen generally made the same look. Not that that's a bad thing because it's a pretty look, but I don't know. I mean, maybe I just want to be a little adventurous sometimes, and that's not, I don't want to do the same look over and over and over again. Or maybe I do, I don't know. Yes, honey, yes. Okay guys, so that is it for my first impression of Deck of Scarlet. Just for reference, this is edition number 8, so I missed out on the last 7. If this is only the 8th palette they've come out with, and it comes out every 2 months, they haven't really been doing this for very long, so there's still time for you to jump on board. I will see if there's any like referral programs and stuff, and if there are, you'll see a little caption right here. And then the link will be down below. $30 every other month is not bad. I mean, to me anyway. For pretty much a full face of makeup, minus foundation, concealer, and powder, and eyebrow stuff, I guess. Well, and contour. But those are all kind of things that you don't switch out and switch up every so often. You just kind of do the same thing for all those, and then this is the stuff that you do switch up. So I think this is really cool. I'm really happy with my purchase. I can't wait to see what they come out with next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.